2007 Nissan Versa. The latch won't unlock when you pull the lever in the driver's side, and the reason for that is this cable right here, this steel cable. The tubing that's wrapped around the steel cable broke off, and then now when you pull this cable from the driver's side, you can't open it anymore, because this here, when you pull it, this should go along with it to unlock the latch, this latch right here. So what I'm gonna do is put a small pipe around here to this cable, and then crimp it so that when I pull it, it goes along with this tensioned spring-loaded lever to unlock this one. By the way, I had to pull these spring. I have to pull this spring from on here. This spring should go right from here, and then it will be attached to here in this area right here when after I put that small pipe. All right, so I'm gonna show you when I'm done. So I actually cut up a sleeve, and here it is, a very small tubing that I'm gonna put over that cable so it can grab that lever when I pull the latch from the driver's side. Okay, go ahead, pull it. Okay. And I'm here in the driver's side. It's kind of dark, and I'm gonna pull that lever. Oh, I heard that big click. And okay, and let's open it up, see if we get inside. And it popped open, and there you go, it's fixed.